Keep on moving forward through the highs and lows. With a heart full of courage, let your spirit grow. No matter what the odds, stand tall and strong. In the race of life, keep holding on. When the road is rough and the climb is steep, we find our strength in the dreams we keep. Every fall's a lesson, every bruise a sign that we're made of something strong and we'll be just fine. Keep on moving forward